Today, we're diving into an exciting discovery in our universe. Back in 2020, astronomers found a massive hourglass-shaped structure near the center of our Milky Way galaxy. These structures are called eROSITA bubbles, and they've sparked a lot of interest in the scientific community. Let's talk about the latest findings and theories about these cosmic giants. In 2019, the Russian-German Spectrum X-Gamma Space Observatory, using the eROSITA X-ray telescope, discovered these two-dimensional eROSITA bubbles. Interestingly, they look a lot like the previously discovered Fermi bubbles. However, eROSITA bubbles are bigger and more energetic, appearing as semicircular lobes above and below the plane of the Milky Way. Scientists have been trying to understand the exact nature of these bubbles. There are two main hypotheses to explain them. Either they are giant bubbles inflated by the galactic center, or they are smaller structures closer to our solar system, which just happen to be aligned with the galactic center. A team led by Teng Liu from the University of Science and Technology of China has recently created a high-resolution map of the eROSITA bubbles. Their research suggests that the two prominent features in the northern bubble, the North Polar Spur and the Lotus Leaf Cloud, are not independent structures. Instead, they appear to be part of a single, massive bubble rooted in the galactic center. By analyzing the three-dimensional structure of the eROSITA bubbles, the team found that these structures are about 10,000 parsecs in scale and were inflated by an energy injection from the galactic center. This means that the eROSITA bubbles are likely giant bubbles, not small, nearby structures. The researchers used the shadows of three isolated dusty clouds in the Milky Way, which perfectly match the shape of the eROSITA bubbles, to determine the distance to the X-ray emissions. They concluded that the northern eROSITA bubble's boundary could be explained by a three-dimensional model rooted in the galactic center. This means that the bubbles are likely about 10,000 parsecs in scale, inflated by energy from the galactic center. This exciting discovery brings us one step closer to solving the mysteries of the universe. The findings have significant implications for our understanding of the structure and history of our galaxy. As Teng Liu said, solving this perspective issue has important consequences for the structure and history of the Milky Way. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.